Okay, now we're doing our toy review today. Okay, so Dad,
Yes.
which one do you, here it is. Here's our toy. Please. Okay. So look at it. First toy, you look at this. Okay, so it's Yoshi. It's from Tussy Games Mario. And then, okay, so look at this. How is he like so fat? Daddy, look at his, he's a dinosaur, and Mario could ride him so he could go faster. Okay, let's put it back. Let's throw that over there. Next one. We got Rouge the Bat. Okay, so here it is. So it's from Sonic the Hedgehog, Games Walmart, from Walmart. Okay, let's throw that on the back. Next one, it's one of my favorites, Knuckles. And here he is. So look, you could like punch him, and look, another figure that have a hand like this, they could like hold their hand. Okay, let's put that on the back. Now one more, and then we're done. Okay? Okay?
All right.
Yeah. So, oh my God, this looks cool. Look at this.
Who is that?
It's Amy from Sonic the Hedgehog. And I got this from Walmart. I got this from Walmart too. Okay? So this is Amy, and it's modern Amy, but I don't got the classic one, but I got the classic Sonic and the classic Tails. And I got the classic Eggman. But I only got the classic Amy plushie.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, now let's throw that on the back. Okay? Okay, thanks guys. Thank you for watching our video.
Tell them to like, comment, and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
And comment.
And comment.